Hey everybody, did you know that humidifiers are really important in your life? Or they could be. I just recently bought a humidifier and it took me an hour. You know why? Because the other ones weren't nearly as awesome as the one I got. Hello, welcome. How are you doing today, sir? Oh, nothing. Just buying a humidifier. Rather than having a dry, burning sensation in the morning when you wake up, you can now have a soggy and wet sensation where you can just spit it out when you're ready. It can act as a pet sometimes too, in the morning or at night. When you want to just say, "Hi, how are you doing?" Hey there, Pinguy Quang. How you doing? Are you feeling okay today? You feel kind of warm. It can also help you breathe a little better. Maybe after like you're working out or when you're just sitting down, playing on the computer and just not only does it help breathing, it also reduces coughing. It's super quiet too, so when you want to go to sleep, just close your eyes and let the dreams take over. And on the box it says it can heal cough, cold, and flu symptoms. It's the weather to get less sick.